Imagine standing in a bustling square, surrounded by a sea of faces, each with their own stories, struggles, and desires. In such a crowd, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the voices of those trying to influence or manipulate you. So, how can you protect your path while staying true to yourself? Today, we explore this question through the wisdom of Stoic philosophy. We'll uncover 7 powerful Stoic lessons that can help you resist manipulation and stay grounded. These timeless teachings can guide you in today's world of external pressures. Let's dive in. Chapter 1. Embrace what you can control. In the face of challenges, Stoic philosophy teaches us that our power lies not in changing the world around us, but in mastering our response to it. Marcus Aurelius famously said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." In situations of manipulation, focusing on what you can control, your thoughts, actions, and responses, helps you preserve your peace and integrity. When faced with adversity, like a colleague undermining your work, focus on how you respond rather than changing their behavior. This approach protects your sense of self and allows you to remain composed. Chapter 2. Recognize and reject false appearances. Epictetus reminds us that it's not events that disturb us, but our judgments of them. In a world of illusion and charm, Stoics teach us to look beyond the surface. For example, if a salesperson uses flashy promises to sell you something, instead of being swept up by charm, question the validity of their claims. Recognizing false appearances empowers you to make informed decisions and avoid manipulation. Chapter 3. Cultivate inner fortitude. True strength comes from within. Seneca said, "A man is as good as his character." By grounding yourself in core values, you can weather any storm. If you're constantly criticized at work, don't let external judgments dictate your self-worth. Emma's experience with criticism at work shows that focusing on personal values and staying true to yourself can lead to recognition and respect, despite external challenges. Chapter 4. Understand the nature of human desires. Marcus Aurelius observed, "The universe is change, life is opinion." Recognizing that desires are fleeting helps you resist manipulation. Manipulative people often prey on your short-term desires, promising instant gratification. By reflecting on the transient nature of desires, you can make decisions that align with your long-term values, just like Tom did when he declined a tempting yet risky business deal. Chapter 5. Practice emotional detachment. Stoics teach us to separate our emotions from our actions. As Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Whether facing personal betrayal or professional setbacks, emotional detachment allows you to respond with clarity. Nelson Mandela's emotional resilience during his imprisonment is a powerful example of how emotional detachment leads to strength and clarity in challenging times. Chapter 6. Embrace the present moment. Marcus Aurelius said, "The only time you should be concerned with is now." Focusing on the present moment helps you navigate manipulation without getting lost in past regrets or future anxieties. Viktor Frankl's story of surviving the Holocaust teaches us how embracing the present can provide resilience and purpose, no matter the circumstances. Chapter 7. Seek wisdom and guidance. Seneca reminds us, "Wisdom is the only good." Seeking guidance from wise mentors and learning from experiences can help you navigate manipulation. Benjamin Franklin's commitment to knowledge and learning allowed him to make wise decisions in complex political landscapes. Surrounding yourself with trusted advisors and seeking wisdom strengthens your ability to resist external pressures and make decisions rooted in clarity. By embracing these 7 Stoic lessons, focusing on what you can control, recognizing false appearances, cultivating inner strength, understanding desires, practicing emotional detachment, embracing the present moment, and seeking wisdom, you arm yourself against manipulation and remain true to your values. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Stoic philosophy. If you found these lessons helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. How have Stoic principles helped you resist manipulation and stay true to yourself? Let's continue this conversation in the comments. Until next time, stay grounded, embrace your path with courage, and keep seeking wisdom on your journey towards authenticity.